Donald Trump and World Liberty Finance have been buying up the real world asset sector. In today's video, we're going to go and take you through exactly what coins you need to position yourself in before the next big pump. My name is Lamar from the Real World Asset Watch List. Let's get into the video. Now, if you haven't already, number one, all of you need to subscribe. Number two, go and follow our X. We're posting here every single day. And we actually did ask all of you guys a couple of days ago, which RWA token should Trump World Liberty Finance add next to their portfolio? Now, we're going to go and look into their portfolio today. And I think it's important that all of you guys do know exactly when they're buying, what they're buying, so that you can position yourself ahead of the retail. The retail are making so many mistakes right now, guys. Now, this was from a few days ago. 379 million invested. World Liberty Finance, or WLFI, are buying even more ETH. Why it is important, guys? It's important because we need ETH to start to lead the alts. If ETH doesn't go, it's going to be up to Solana, and you already know what's going on with Solana at the moment. It is full of meme coins. So we need the utility plays to come back, and it looks like the smart money are hedging themselves ready for the next leg of the utility run. Now, via cryptorank.io, you can see the World Liberty Finance portfolio. This was as of yesterday, so yes, keep up to date with our page as well so that you know exactly what's going on, when it's going on, when these changes are occurring. But when you do look at ETH, guys, 49.9% of the entire portfolio is in ETH. 55k. You got Wrap Bitcoin, which is basically an ETH coin. They can earn Bitcoin by staking the Wrap Bitcoin. They've got staked ETH as well. They've got USDC readily available to be transferring. They've got TRX, USDT here as well. And keep an eye on some of these at the bottom, guys. They've got Link. They've also got Ondo. Now, what all of you guys could do is you can come to arkham.com and you can follow the World Liberty financial portfolio for yourself. Remember, a couple of days ago, this was 379 million. It's 5 million more invested in the past 2 days, guys. What you can do is, if you really want to, you can go on their portfolio and, you know, you can compare from 18th of Jan to now, right? It was 26 million holdings. Over the past week or so, guys, they've increased by 350 million almost, right? So Ethereum is now their number one holding with 183 million in Ethereum, and they've bought this at a price of 3.3k. So while everyone is saying ETH is going down, ETH is never going to make a return, smart money have put nearly $500 million into ETH. And remember, World Liberty Financial isn't the only smart money buying these coins. There are so many other big asset managers as well. So $500 million from one asset manager. In another video, maybe we can go check out some other ones. If you want that, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so that we do know. But you go down and you can see all of their different holdings here as well, guys. So it is great to see that the net change is positive. When this thing does start to go negative, then we can start to call for a bear market. But right now, when there's a net change in one big asset manager of nearly $500 million, how can we be calling for a bear market? Now, there's a lot of real world asset coins that we've covered on the channel before. Chainlink being one, AVAX being one. HBAR had a big announcement with ICP today, guys. It's at 33 cents. All time, we're still down. However, we have had a monster move. So we need to find some coins before this monster move. A lot of investors are going to be up 10x on their HBAR bag already, guys. Now, when we do check out one of the top coins, it's going to be Link, right? Link is positioned to be one of the biggest movers. I can see this thing doing something very similar to what XRP did do. Now, Chainlink seems to be capturing all of the markets. It's in the Grayscale Trust. It's in the World Liberty financial portfolio. It's made in the USA. So what does that mean? If Trump does pass those bills, it's going to be 0% tax. It's in the Coinbase 50 index. It's the only one that covers all four of these sectors, guys, which is fantastic. You want to find these coins that are covered by multiple. Chainlink is the only one covered by all of these. And some speculation for all of you guys who do like the speculation in the charts. People may laugh at this, but the Link chart is currently tracking the price action of Ethereum in 2017 1-to-1, right down to the actual price, going from 20 to 8 over 6 months, and then 8 to 30 over 3 months. And this chart has been scaled down. If we assume that it stays 1-to-1, the peak's going to be $1,500. Could you imagine a $1,500 chain Link? That would be crazy. And looking at this, allowing for the fact that 240 would only put it at the current market cap of XRP, is it that crazy or exceptional to be expecting to get to 240? You guys let me know what you think, but that's just a bit of speculation for all of you guys. And then we move on to Ondo. Now, the Ondo unlocks are behind us. That was a big unlock. There'll be future unlocks, but the biggest unlock is behind us. We haven't got to worry about that until the next bear market. Now, people thought that the Ondo unlocks were going to be crazy bearish for the price. We had a massive sell-off in anticipation. Guess what? The whales bought it right back up. They do not want to be selling their Ondo for $1.20. What does that make me think? It makes me think that Ondo has got extreme potential going forward. Would they be buying up the supply if they thought we've only got another 100% or so in? Or would they just wait and leave it? Okay, so I do think that the FUD was out of proportion, similar to Chiron here, and the Ondo price today is around $1.44. And not only this, guys, you go and check out Ondo Finance. Recently appointed by Donald Trump, Caroline Palm is going to be speaking at the Ondo Summit. Caroline had been CFTC commissioner prior to her presidential appointment. Guys, they're having a lot of big speakers coming in now. You can see here there's a real opportunity to modernize financial market infrastructure through tokenization, she said in a Bloomberg interview. So what's going to happen at the Ondo Summit? Okay, you're also having big asset managers from BlackRock come and speak here as well. I think there's going to be a big focus on tokenization, guys. This is only around the corner. I believe this is next week. So you can see on the 6th of February, guys, we have to be ready for the Ondo Summit. Now let's go check out some charts. Now we come to the Chainlink chart, guys, and we found a perfect support above 100 MA. This is on the weekly, so this is even more powerful. But what we'd like to do is get a better macro view, and you can see we're now ready to start to tackle our highs. Once we do break the high at around $52, it could be go time. So anywhere between $38 and $52 is going to be where you want to have loaded up the majority of your Chainlink. I think anywhere here like $25 and below, you want to be loaded up on your Chainlink. Remember, people were getting accumulations in this zone here between like $4 to $10. Okay, I think the next accumulation is going to be in anywhere in this zone here, guys, so make sure. So again, not financial advice, but what I would do if I was not in Chainlink is if there's any sort of chop, like maybe we just climb the stairs, chop a little bit, I would try and be loading up some Chainlink. We need to keep an eye on that, but Chainlink's looking pretty strong on the charts right now. And then you come to Ondo on the daily. We found a perfect support at the 100 MA on the daily. We've broken out of a macro resistance, and it looks like we are ready to take off. We need to break in $1.58 all the way to $1.64 for us to really start to get going for Ondo Finance. And I think we could chop maybe until the summit, but the summit could include some catalysts that do break us, have the change of character in the charts, and then we start to go again. If we take our trusty old fibs and we ignore the wicks, then there you go, 0.5 fib is going to be around that resistance zone. So we can be expecting a lot of resistance here. If there's enough bullish catalyst, guys, I think we can start to really pump out of here. 1618 target is going to be $2.56 just from this move. Remember, Ondo's a new coin, so it's going to have a lot of advantages over some coins that have been here for the long run. I do think it can capture a lot more market cap. And on top of that, the fact that so many asset managers are bullish on this, they're going to be speaking. The fact that Ondo could be leading the real world asset tokenization sector, I think Ondo has got a long way to go. So that's it, guys. You let me know what coins you're buying. Are you going to be following World Liberty Finance? Let us know in the comments. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you up to date with everything real world assets. I've been Lamar from the Real World Asset Watchlist. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care.